People who think that biblical inerrancy implies young earth creationism are quite mistaken, entirely wrong. It's a matter of hermeneutics, as you said. What kind of literature is this? And then how should we interpret it? Now, I mentioned that for decades I've been skeptical that we should press these sorts of details for literality. And Packer was one of my guides on this. When I heard Packer, he would describe it as what he called dramatic history.
Mm.
These were historical events, but they've been dramatized in a colorful way. Well, I think that's good, but it isn't as technical and as careful as Jacobson's categorization of mytho-history. And
Mhm.
so I think they're talking about the same thing, but I think Jacobson has a technically more correct genre analysis of Genesis 1 to 11.